Hello everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete installation process of LG Dual Inverter AC 2025 model, and also I'll share some useful tips, cost details and other things to check during and after installation. I got the LG Dual Inverter 2025 model from Amazon. MRP was 46,000, but with bank card offers, you can grab it for around 43,000. Not bad for comfort and convenience, right? Just remember that installation charges are extra. Once the AC is delivered, Amazon automatically raises an installation service request to the nearest LG service center, and the next day LG customer service contacts you to schedule the installation. And on the scheduled day, installation team arrives. And do not unbox the product yourself, let the technician do when they arrive. The indoor unit comes with a steel mounting plate. The technicians will use this plate to mark the wall, drill holes, and then mount the plate. The indoor unit is then fixed to this mounted plate. And here's a tip: ensure that there's a minimum gap of 20 centimeters between the top of the indoor unit and the ceiling to allow proper air circulation. There are two copper wires, one slightly wider than the other, and a drain pipe connected to the indoor unit. So the AC should be installed with a slight tilt downwards, little 2 to 3 degrees, to help drain the water easily. And the technicians will drill a hole to the wall to pass the copper pipes and the drain pipe to the outdoor unit. All the necessary drilling equipment will be brought by the team. The AC comes with 3 meters of copper pipe. If the outdoor unit is placed further than this, then additional piping will be charged separately per meter. And also, if extra pipe is added, then additional refrigerant gas may be required, which is also chargeable. And coming to the installation charges, standard installation cost is 1199 plus GST, which totals to about 1450 without the brackets. And if you need the brackets, the cost will be approximately 1650. The service center may call you before installation to confirm whether you need the brackets or not. Brackets are nothing but the pins that used to set the outdoor unit to the wall. Once everything is fixed, here's what you need to ask the installer to do before they leave: water leakage test for the drain pipe, and gas leakage test using soap solution for the copper pipes. And they should seal the hole they drilled, and they should run the AC in test run mode for at least 18 minutes. And they also should check the temperature difference with a thermometer, and they should give a proper demo of how to use the remote and how to use the features within it. So here's a bonus tip: use a dedicated single socket power board, no multi plugs or no jugaad wiring. And remember, the LG team won't do any electrical related work, so get that sorted before installation. This is a complete overview of the installation process. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more practical guides. If you have any questions or want to share your experience, please feel free to comment below.